Cat whiskers are fascinating and essential parts of a cat's anatomy that play a crucial role in its survival and everyday activities. These specialized sensory tools are more than just adorable features that add to a cat's charm. In fact, whiskers are an integral part of how cats navigate their world, communicate with others, and even express their emotions. While many people know that whiskers are often used to determine the width of openings, there is much more to these unique hairs than meets the eye. Here are 10 amazing facts about cat whiskers that highlight their importance and functionality in the life of a feline. First, cat whiskers are not just any ordinary hair. They are highly specialized sensory organs known as vibrissae. Unlike the regular fur on a cat's body, whiskers are deeply embedded in the skin and are connected to sensitive nerve endings. This allows them to act as tactile sensors, detecting even the slightest changes in the environment. Whiskers can sense vibrations in the air and are capable of picking up even the faintest touch or shift in their surroundings. This heightened sensitivity enables cats to feel objects, creatures, and movements even in the dark, much like how humans use their fingers to gauge the texture or shape of an object. One of the most remarkable aspects of cat whiskers is their ability to measure gaps and spaces. A cat's whiskers are approximately as wide as its body. So when a cat approaches an opening, it uses its whiskers to gauge whether it can fit through. This is particularly useful when navigating tight or narrow spaces. For example, if a cat is walking through a doorway, its whiskers will help it judge if there is enough space to pass through without getting stuck. It's fascinating to think about how a cat's whiskers act as built-in measuring tools, helping them avoid getting into tricky situations. These whiskers are so sensitive that they can even detect the presence of an object in the dark, which is why cats are often so graceful in navigating their environment without needing to rely on their eyesight alone. Whiskers are also essential for cats when it comes to hunting. These specialized hairs help them assess the distance and position of their prey, especially in low-light conditions. When a cat is stalking its prey, its whiskers are constantly in motion, helping the cat to maintain awareness of its surroundings and the position of its target. The whiskers allow the cat to detect minute movements from its prey, making them a vital tool for successful hunting. For example, when a cat is in a crouching position preparing to pounce, its whiskers may be stretched forward, in line with its nose, so it can get a better sense of the distance between itself and its target. This precision is one of the reasons why cats are such efficient predators. Interestingly, whiskers are not just located on a cat's face. While the whiskers on the nose, above the eyes, and on the chin are the most well-known, cats actually have whiskers on other parts of their bodies as well. These body whiskers are located along the sides of a cat's body and legs. These whiskers help cats to gauge their proximity to objects or obstacles when they are in motion. When a cat moves through a space, it uses these whiskers to feel the environment around it, ensuring that it doesn't bump into anything or miscalculate the distance to an object. These whiskers act as an extension of the cat's body, providing it with a sense of spatial awareness that enhances its overall coordination. Another fascinating fact is that a cat's whiskers are not just used for navigation and hunting, they also play a key role in communication. A cat's whiskers can reveal its mood and emotional state. For instance, when a cat is feeling threatened or aggressive, its whiskers may be held out rigidly and facing forward, indicating that the cat is preparing to defend itself or strike. On the other hand, when a cat is relaxed or content, its whiskers may rest in a neutral position, close to the face. Additionally, a cat may twitch its whiskers when it is curious or excited, signaling heightened attention and interest. These subtle changes in whisker positioning are often one of the first signs that a cat is reacting to something in its environment. Whiskers also provide a cat with the ability to sense changes in the air around it. This sensitivity to air currents is especially useful when cats are hunting or simply exploring their surroundings. The whiskers can detect even slight shifts in the airflow caused by nearby objects, creatures, or changes in the environment. This allows cats to pick up on the movements of small animals or other cats, even when they are hidden or out of sight. The whiskers can act as an early warning system, alerting a cat to potential danger or helping it track down prey. This is why cats are often so stealthy and able to move silently, as their whiskers provide them with a heightened sense of awareness of what is happening around them. Another fascinating fact about whiskers is that they are highly sensitive to vibrations. This sensitivity helps cats to detect sound waves and vibrations in their environment, making them more aware of their surroundings. This is particularly important for cats that live in environments where they may encounter unfamiliar sounds or movements. The whiskers act as an extension of the cat's hearing, allowing it to detect vibrations that humans or other animals may not be able to perceive. This heightened sensitivity to sound and vibration gives cats a unique ability to detect subtle changes in their environment, helping them to remain alert and aware of potential threats or prey. A cat's whiskers are also essential for their sense of balance. The whiskers, along with the cat's inner ear and tail, help to maintain its equilibrium and spatial orientation. When a cat is climbing, jumping, or walking along narrow surfaces, its whiskers play a key role in helping it maintain balance. The whiskers send sensory feedback to the brain, which helps the cat adjust its position and keep its body aligned. This is particularly important for cats, as their agility and acrobatics are a defining feature. The whiskers, in combination with other physical abilities, help them navigate complex environments and perform incredible feats of acrobatics. Lastly, it's important to note that a cat's whiskers are so sensitive that they can even detect changes in the temperature of their surroundings. While cats have fur to regulate their body temperature, their whiskers are also capable of picking up subtle shifts in the temperature of the air. This sensitivity to temperature helps them stay comfortable and avoid areas that may be too hot or cold. This ability also adds to a cat's overall sense of awareness, ensuring that they are always tuned into their environment. Cat whiskers are extraordinary tools that play a vital role in a cat's ability to navigate, communicate, hunt, and survive. These specialized sensory organs are much more than just cute features. They are crucial to a cat's everyday life and contribute to its overall well-being. Whether it's sensing changes in the air, navigating tight spaces, or communicating emotions, whiskers help cats thrive in their environment. So the next time you see your cat twitching its whiskers or rubbing them against a surface, you'll have a deeper understanding of the complex and fascinating role that whiskers play in your cat's life.